What if I tell you in just 30 days you can start speaking English boldly, without fear, without hesitation? You don't need expensive courses. You don't need boring grammar books. You need one thing: commitment. And if you give me 30 days, I will give you the transformation you have been waiting for. I have started a brand new WhatsApp group, Speak Bold English. I am learning English myself, but not in the old, slow way. I have created a powerful step-by-step plan that I am following, and I am inviting you to join me. For 30 days, we will train together. Every single day, you will practice. Every single day, you will grow. Week 1 is all about the foundation. You will learn basic words, correct pronunciation, and short daily sentences you can actually use. For example, I am ready. Let's start. I will do it. Every morning you will speak these sentences out loud. Every night you will repeat them. You will focus on clear, confident speech, not on speed. Remember, warriors speak with power, not panic. Week 2. Now we enter the grammar battlefield. You will learn how to use present, past, and future tenses in real life, not just memorizing, actually speaking them. For example, present, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Past, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. Future, I will eat breakfast at 8 a.m. By the end of week 2, you will be able to tell stories about yesterday, today, and tomorrow in English. Week 3 is the conversation war zone. You will speak English from morning to night. You will describe what you see, what you do, and what you feel in English. You will practice asking and answering questions. How are you? Where are you going? What did you do yesterday? The goal is to make English a natural part of your daily life, like breathing. Week 4 is the transformation stage. We will work on public speaking, bold voice, and body posture. You will learn to introduce yourself, give short speeches, and speak in front of others without fear. This is the week where you stop being a learner and start becoming a speaker. If you follow this plan for 30 days, you will not only speak better English, you will become confident, bold, and fearless. Your hesitation will disappear. Your words will have power, and people will listen when you speak. So, are you ready? The link to join the WhatsApp group is in the description. This is not for lazy people. This is for action takers. If you want to speak bold English in 30 days, join now and let's start the transformation together.